YouTube, what's up? What's up? Second episode. Welcome to Ghost Mods. I'm Steve. I told you I was gonna do another video. I'm gonna show you guys my 97 Eclipse GST 2G DSM. This video is pretty much I'm not gonna go through all the mods that I got on my car because it's a laundry list, man. But I currently went from a TD05 20G to a 25G. And I'm gonna explain in this video why I did it, how much it cost, how much I saved. Can't really say if it was worth it because I haven't drove the car with it. Was it a bolt-on? And if it wasn't a bolt-on, what is it that I had to do? All right, so before we get straight to the car, before I turn this camera around so you guys can see the car, let's get into why I did it. Okay, so my Eclipse, I love it. It's my baby. It's my second wife. You know what I'm saying? Put a lot of money in it, a lot of time invested. I did all my work except for any welding. Everything else, it was on me. I was right around town with a 20G. Like I said, my car is fully built. Like, whatever modification, whatever mod you think they sell for DSMs, I have it on my car. Not trying to sound cocky or anything, but I saved a lot of money. I worked hard in life, fixed a lot of cars on the side, and I threw a lot into the money, a lot of money into the car. I am a car guy, you know what I'm saying? And the wife, you know, she kicks my ass all the time about it. Oh, you're always working on the car. Oh, it's always broken down. It ain't broken down. I'm just doing mods. You know what I'm saying? My wife don't know. She's not a car girl. You know what I'm saying? Every time I got the hood pop, oh, what's broken now? Ain't nothing broken now, man. I'm putting like Redline oil in it. You know what I'm saying? She doesn't understand that. So I was riding around town, 20G, love the turbo. I never dynoed the car. I would say, if I had to guess how much power I was putting on that 20G, it had to be like low 4 to mid 4s. I spanked a Porsche in it. I think it was a Porsche Panamera. I think, I don't know how to explain it, man. It's the 4-door Porsche. It looks like a long station wagon. It was a twin turbo one, and you know, we went heads up. Wife was in the car. I got him by like 2 cars. You know, he did take off. He's all-wheel drive. I'm not, but I caught him at the end. I was around, you know, like 17 pounds. Doesn't sound like a lot, but like I said, motor's built. You know, got cams and, you know, bigger bore. You know what I mean? He got some mods. You know what I'm saying? It got some mods. So I'm like, you know, I got with my tuner. Shout out to Ruben. He is the man, straight from Puerto Rico. He's like the Mitsubishi king, bro. I mean, he tunes other cars too, but when it comes to like Mitsubishi, well, you got AM, Hall Tech, you know, ECU Flash, all the other extra stuff. He gets busy with it. Ain't nothing he can't do. He pull up at your house with like 7 laptops, bunch of cables all over the place, asking for Wi-Fi codes and shit, and he gets busy. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, we drove him in my car. I did run into some tuning issues. I was running on ECU Flash, and we couldn't figure out, you know, why, you know, my tune would like erase. It was weird. Like, the car was shut off, turned back on after a couple of cranks, and the tune's gone. It's like, what? So, but that's another day, another topic. But 20G, my goals, well, the motor's built for 700 horsepower. I want 5 because I'm a car show guy. I like going to car shows. I want to open up the hood. I want to show it off, you know, have a little cockiness, you know what I'm saying? I want the wife to drive in it. And I think 500 horsepower to the wheel on a front wheel drive car, it's insane, but it's drivable on the street versus 6 or 7. You know what I'm saying? 5, I could enjoy it. I'm not going to be beating up on it. 20G was not going to get me 5 on pump gas. On E85, yes. Here in Florida, E85, you can almost get it everywhere. Almost get it everywhere. I'm in Orlando, so there's like 5, 6 gas stations that you know, got E85 and race gas. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know. I don't know. I wasn't gonna go E85 so I can, because I'm running ECU flash then, so that means I gotta be E85 full time if I got one map.